In the museum archives, there is a painting of a prince who was never crowned. He rides a white elephant painted at the height of his family's power, and he is the story of how India's history turned. Dara Shikoh was born in 1615 in Ajmer, the eldest son of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, the queen the Taj Mahal was built for. His father groomed him for the throne and kept him close at court, while his brothers were sent to govern distant provinces. And the painters said what the family believed: a golden halo, the light of chosen kingship; a white elephant, among the rarest and most prized treasures a royal stable could hold; and the goad in the prince's own hand. He needs no mahout. The empire, the painting says, will answer to him. But Dara's real life was in the library. He sat with Sufi saints and Hindu sages, and in 1657 he finished the Sirri Akbar, the Great Secret, 50 Upanishads translated from Sanskrit into Persian. He believed the faiths of the world were rivers meeting in one sea. Look closely at the border. A paradise of golden flowers, and inside it, a tiger dragging down a deer and hounds running beneath. The painter knew the world this prince lived in. In September 1657, Shah Jahan fell ill and his 4 sons went to war for the throne. Dara commanded the largest army. At Samugarh in May 1658, a rocket struck his howdah and he climbed down from his elephant to a horse. His soldiers saw the empty seat and believed he was dead. The greatest army in India dissolved in an afternoon. He fled west, was betrayed, and was handed to his brother Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb paraded him through Delhi in chains, in rags, on a filthy elephant, while the city wept for him. A French traveler stood in the crowd and wrote it down. On the night of August the 30th, 1659, he was executed. He was 44. The painting remembers a different day. A red inscription beside the elephant's foreleg reads simply, "The White Elephant and Dara Shikoh riding." We restored this folio from the museum archives. It hangs framed or unframed on fine art paper that ships worldwide, each with a free Story of the Painting collector's card at auraliving.com.